To begin, select the area that contains the data you want to copy. In this example, we select column G, which includes the sales totals for all quarters. Selecting the correct column ensures that all the values you need are included. Once the data is selected, press and hold the Control key, then press C to copy it. You will notice a moving border around the selected cells, confirming that the data has been copied. Next, click on the cell where you want to paste the data. Here, we choose cell I3 as the destination. This cell will be the starting point for the pasted values. Instead of using the regular paste option, we will use Paste Special. Press and hold the Alt key, then press E, followed by S. This shortcut opens the Paste Special window and allows you to control how the data is pasted. When the Paste Special window appears, select Values. This option pastes only the numbers, without formulas or formatting from the original cells. This is useful when you want clean, fixed data that will not change if the original values are updated. Press OK to finish. The values are now pasted exactly where you want them, simple, clean, and ready to use.